Welcome back to this monthly abstract art series. I took a short break, but we are here again. In the last video, we explored the quiet shifts of March, and now we are arrived in June. This month's theme is all about the act of creating. Art doesn't always need to have a meaning. Just have fun, create, and let go of expectations. I picked 3 random colors, blended them into a soft gradient, and shaped the piece using simple abstract forms. Then I added a few filters to bring everything together. It was relaxing to sit back and just create something for fun. If you'd like to create your own version, use this month's prompt and share your art with the hashtag #AbstractArtWithVivi. I'd love to see what you create. Share your creations with me and connect with others in the YouTube community tab or the Creative Club corner. I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next video.